Hi everyone! Out here just checking out how the garden is doing after the crazy rainstorm we had last night.
Yeah.
It was nuts.
Yeah, this is storm number 3 within the past 10 days. So we're going to just go check things out on the garden and see how things are holding up. Let's go.
It's a lot of rain. We got an unprecedented amount of rain here in Southern California. Last night we checked the rain gauge. It was at a ½ an inch. About 12 hours later, this baby was all the way up to 2.5 inches. The biggest storm, I think they're saying, since 2005. So it's absolutely crazy amount of water. The rain has kind of blown over for now, but man, it was coming down in sheets and blowing very hard. We do have some minor flooding here on the grass, I can see, but I know nothing like what a lot of you are experiencing in different areas of California. So I really hope that you're safe, your family is safe, your property and your garden is safe. So let us know how things are going for you.
This is going to need some repair. Our Smart Pots deck is sagging and will need leveling out. Oh, she couldn't resist. Well, one thing I will say, it's really green and pretty back here.
Oh man, the garden is just popping with color. It's going to be such a good year for the nasturtiums and the poppies. I just can't wait to see those bright pops of color in the garden again.
Yep.
One of my biggest concerns with all this moisture has been this raised bed right here. The landscape timbers are super old. They're actually kind of shifting forward just a little bit, which is kind of scary. Now Jerry did shore it up here with some T-posts, but the soil is so saturated. I just hope it makes it.
Yeah, this is really old wood actually, and hollow in certain points. That's how bad this wood is. But I just did what I could to repurpose and get you that raised bed you were wanting.
And again, I know this is nothing compared to what a lot of you are dealing with the mudslides, the floods. So again, stay safe. That's the most important thing you can do. Another good thing about the storm is we got a full rain barrel. I'm absolutely sure of it. Let's take a little peek here. Sure do. It's free water right there.
Love it.
I just wish we had more room for rain storage.
So that's a quick check-in on us after storms 1 through 3. We're doing okay.
California friends, let us know down in the comments how you're doing. Hope your family is safe and staying dry. But check back because storm number 4 is on the way. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.